There's a prefab home at the home show that has never been seen before and has a very cool look. The only problem is it's been packed every single day. Today, I'm beating the crowds. But first I should probably have a shower. This is my third time at the International Builder Show, and usually I can arrive at 8 a.m. and have an hour to shoot video before people arrive at 9 a.m. 2025 is the year of the door crasher, and tell you what, day one I learned a tough lesson. I get it, it's a big show with a lot of cool homes, and if you want to see it all, you have to start early, but still, part of me wishes people would settle down. Welcome to the International Builder Show in Las Vegas, Nevada. Behind me is what I like to call a showstopper. This is the A-Frame Modular from Zook Cabins, and this one's getting a lot of attention. So what we've got here is 1,890 square feet. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and you might have noticed it's got the cottage look dialed to 1,000,000. So this is the first time I've ever featured anything from Zook Cabins on the channel, and what better way to start than the A-Frame Modular. Let's have a look at this thing. So you might have noticed that this doesn't have a look much like anything that I've showed on the channel, and you might be thinking to yourself, how is this even possible? How is this a modular? And that's a good question. You can kind of see on the TV how it's delivered, but basically what it is they've got two pieces that go on the bottom. So this roof, the A-frame, folds down. That's a hinged roof. So if you split it in half there and just picture two pieces on the bottom, then they've got one that goes across the back on top. So it's 3 pieces total that get delivered. They brought it over from Pennsylvania and put it together on site. I know they've got that video floating around of the setup, so maybe I'll try and get my hands on that and I can put it in so you can really understand how this arrives and how it's put together. So like I said, the cottage look with the metal roof and wood siding, and it's kind of cool because it's not a full A-frame all the way down. They've kind of broken it up with this piece at the back, and then it goes back to the A-frame at the back of the home. And I just think they did a really nice job with this cabin here. Right now, they're delivering across the country except for California and Oregon, but I have heard that because of the feedback and demand that they're getting from this show and this model right here, they are considering an expansion into those 2 states, specifically California, which I think would make a lot of people happy. All right, I'm gonna duck inside, have a look around the A-Frame Modular from Zook Cabins. So heading in the side, they've got a covered entrance, they got a big window in the door, and then you land into the living room, and the first thing I'd like to do is look up, because this is the A-frame section, and it basically goes up 2 levels, wide open. They got the wood beams up there, which look awesome, and it's got kind of a chalet vibe on the inside. So I'm gonna go around this way, and you can see that's a huge table right there, but it almost looks small in the space because this living room, dining room is so large. So if I come around, look at the front again, you've got the glass door there, window on either side, and then windows above as well. You can see the sunshine coming in here. So no shortage of natural light coming in the side. If you've got a big important view, I would definitely put it out that side. Panning around this way, you can see they've got the furniture set up with the couch, a couple chairs over there, and then the TV on the side wall. You know, I think this is just for the show. I don't know that I would do it the same, but that's not saying much because I'm not an interior designer. Heading back this way, you get the first look at the kitchen, and we've got a bit of a peninsula here with the bar stools. Check out this kitchen. So definitely you're getting a full-size fridge in this home. Let's see if they've got any goodies in here. Some juice or sweet tea, it looks like. Got the gas cooktop, drawers on one side, vent up above. Look at this. This is kind of a corner cabinet right here for glasses. And if you're someone who likes to cook, we've got a lot of prep space on these counters. Open face cabinet over here. There's the dishwasher, and then a little bit more storage down below. This is a drawer. Let's have a look at this. Garbage drawer, doubled up. That. So if you're making something in the kitchen, you could prep it here and still be a part of whatever's going on out in the living room. So down here on the bottom floor, they've got one bedroom, which is right here, and I'm going to have a look into the closet to see. Well, we've got it full of stuff that they brought to the show, so not much to see there. You got the window. This is the end wall, and we'll cruise into the bathroom. Look at the size of this. Look at how much dance floor you got in here. So walk-in shower with black tile, black hardware. Definitely a good look there. Coming around, we've got this vanity, and the wood features in here, just the entire place has got the cottage look, which I think people are going to be excited about. Toilets down in the corner, and yeah, you definitely feel cozy in there if you're spending a bit of time doing some business. Let's go upstairs because I haven't even been up here yet. So we got a window halfway up, letting in a little bit of natural or airflow. You come upstairs, so I'm wondering if this entire upstairs is going to be the main bedroom, and it is. It was too busy yesterday, so I didn't get up here, but have a look at this. This is cool. So they've got this nook here for the bed. They got built-in pot lights above, and then they've got the same size or same shape window behind the bed. Back up and get another look at that. That is really unique. Okay, so they've also got this sitting area over here. You could put a TV on the wall, but look at outside. Take in any views you've got. Right now it's just the home show. So across from the sitting area, we've got a bathroom. Vanity similar to downstairs, mirror similar to downstairs, toilet there, and another walk-in shower. So yeah, I didn't realize that this entire upstairs was the main bedroom suite. Very cool. Over here, this has to be the closet, and again, stuff that they use to get to the show, but we're gonna go inside and just see how deep it is. Full walk-in that is being used as storage right now. So I'd almost describe this as a retreat more than a bedroom. You close this off. You've got this space over here. You got the sitting area over there. The bed here. And you got the bathroom over there. You'll put a little kitchenette in here, and it's pretty much a self-contained suite, which is very cool. I'm gonna go back downstairs. We'll get one last look at the living room, and then if I can get my mitts on one, I'll bring up a floor plan so you can really get an idea of what this place is all about. There we have it, the A-Frame Modular from Zook Cabins. Definitely a showstopper. Here's a look at the floor plan. Living room, kitchen, dining room, a bedroom and a bathroom downstairs, and of course, the retreat upstairs. Feel free to pause the video here if you want more time, because I'm also going to bring up the time lapse. As promised, here's a look at how the A-Frame Modular was set up for the show. They trucked all the pieces over from out east, dropped 2 down on the bottom, put the 1 up top for a total of 3. Don't quote me on this, but I think they only had 3 days to get this thing show ready, and it looked good, so that gives you an idea of how fast it can go together. I wouldn't expect them to put it together in that amount of time on every build, but it does give us an idea of what's possible. There you have it, the A-Frame Modular from Zook Cabins. Now, before I go, let's get into the pricing because I know people are going to be interested. They've got different prices for across the country because there's different shipping costs, there's different requirements everywhere you go. But for right here, because we're in Vegas, they do have it in the 600s. So it's going to be, I think, between 620 and 680 depending on how it's finished. And I should mention that this is the mid version. So they have a smaller version that's going to be a little bit less money. And then they do have a bigger version as well. So if you're in Vegas, that's about where you're going to be. Everywhere else is going to be a little bit different. Some places less, some places more. But I think that's a place to get people started. That's it for me here at Zook Cabins. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.